Umuthi anyiti itemi ngurani thiini wa mathako guuku bururi-ini ni meyumirite na kwanirira murugamo wao maundu-ini megemainie na ithurano cia kamiti ya mathako guuku bururi-ini NOCK na iria cierigirirwo gutabanio mweri 29 mweri uyu. Undu uyu umanite na ndumiriri iria maramukirire muthi wa ira ya maritwa ma aria makahuranira iturwa ngurani rundumwe na ciama cia mathako iria cigaikia kura hindi ya ithurano icio. Ukiri uguo mutongoria wa kiama kia muthako wa table tennis guuku bururi-ini Andrew Mudibo niigite ati ithurano citigekika angikorwo maritwa ma aria mari na Ndugamano matigukorwo makieherio kuma kuri aria marahuranira iturwa ngurani.
If you give me delegates, you are forcing me to go to court. But as federation, what we have said is that we shall not go to court. We know who our officials are, and we will not play the game that NOCK wants us to play.
Undu uyu umanite na ungumania uria ukoretwo ku thiini wa atongoria a kamiti ino giko giica ikuhi ari atongoria amwe ta Stephen Soi ukinyo igoti-ini kumana na kwaga wigiririku hindi ya mathako ma Rio Olympics makiuga matikwenda undu uyu wicokere hindi ya mathako twerekeire mwaka ukite ma Commonwealth.
The pain that Kenyans went through during the Rio Olympics, those are pain that for some of us, we have nightmares when you think about it. You cannot afford to put the same athletes into the same hands of those who mishandled them, and you are happily giving it to them, and as Kenyans we sit back. Now, if the culture of impunity, as Kenyans we want to continue encouraging it, it should not start in sports. Let it start somewhere else, but not in sports.
Ukiri uguo ni moritie kamiti ino itige gwikuruhania na ithurano kuona ucio ti wira wao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo mwihaki wa Ndogo.